Hello guys, welcome back to our certificate inventory and management administration course. In this top video, we'll be seeing the topic related to view and prioritize the certificates. Okay, for that, navigate to certificate management, and from certificate management, we'll be having unique certificates and install certificates. Okay, from the left navigator. Let me open unique certificates. Since this is my personal instance, I am not having any certificate installed on my server because as I said in the earlier videos, I don't have server installed on my PDI. Let us know what is unique certificates. Okay, whatever servers, I'm sorry, unique certificate means what all certificates are there in your server. For those certificates, you will be having unique entries here. Okay, installed certificates. When I say install certificates, it shows the certificates which are installed on your server. There might be cases where you will be installing the one certificate on two servers. If you have multiple servers, then there will be two entries for same certificate. Okay, that is what installed certificates. Let me go back to unique certificates. Here, since I don't have a data, you can keep the cursor on subject common name, identifies the host and host name or domain associated with the certificate. Okay, this is what this field will be holding the value. Root issuer, root entity that has signed and issued the intermediate certificate. Okay, and state, life cycle state of the certificate, whether it is installed or expired or it is not installed, like that. Okay, and valid from and valid to, from which date to which date the certificate is valid. And assigned to, I'll tell you what it is later, and change group also I'll tell you later. Renewal tracking indicates whether to create any priority 1 or priority 3 task for expiring certificates. For example, I have a certificate and it is going to expire. Then this information has to be logged through the incident. Okay, for which we have done in the discovery set properties. And this field will be having priority 1 or priority 3. That means when the incident is created, during the incident creation of your certificate expiration, which I have defined as 60 days in the properties. If you go to my first video, you will understand what is the set properties I have explained there. So when case or incident is created, what should be the priority of that incident? That is what renewal tracking. And the change group, when incident is created, to which group it should be assigned. That is what change group means. Assigned to whom it should be assigned. If you know any person name uh, that needs to be defined, then you can go and assign any username to assign to. Okay, and he should be member of this change group. I think this is clear. Let's go to certificate authorities. Okay, CA, what I told in the earlier video, we have so many CA authorities which are defined by ServiceNow in the personal instance. You can add your own certificate authorities as well. Certificate extension. Okay, I'll talk about this. To extend the certificate that is going to be expire, you can do the extension of the certificate by giving certificate name, certificate ID, certificate authority, order ID from which you are going to get your extension of the certificate, and serial number, thumbprint provided by a CA, thumbprint provided by a certificate authority. Okay, credential alias, which we created in I think the fourth video, credentials for certificate management. Okay, CA life cycle status provided means whatever the status for certificate extension, whether certificate extension has been done or not, that you can see in the certificate authority life cycle status. And there is revoke certificate task also. Suppose you don't want to have the certificate to be renewed or renewal, then you can raise the entry over here from the revoke certificate task. certificate purpose, okay, for which you have taken that certificate name and order id, certificate id, and revoke reason, okay, reason you have to mention, and again the state, in which state this task is uh, at present, to know the status of the revoke certificate tasks. And new certificate tasks, this is a number, okay, certificate purpose, certificate order id, certificate id, valid period days, means how many days the certificate, the new certificate what you are going to bring it, for how many days it is valid, and again it is subject common name, subject common name of the certificate, okay, if any alternate name, and a state. This is a high level with respect to certificate management. um, Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe my channel.